If we locked up the foreigners for longer, like you said, would that not put more strain on the already strained resources of South Africa?
How?
Money?
You mean foreigners? What do foreigners contribute in this country? Because these guys, they come to this country for the very same reasons that they messed up their country. They fuck up their country. What do Zimbabweans contribute? Zimbabweans are not even in the top 10 of the most educated, most successful. They created this false narrative, which Zimbabweans are smart, they are clever. You know, if they're not clever, why are they not fixing their country? I can say Chinese are smart because they've implemented solutions that are working for them. That is smart. You Zimbabweans are not smart. You can't say with they're smart, even if they were 20 years ago, before 2001, there were sanctions. Are you saying now, 25 years later, they're still smart? They were not. You know, these are people who studied to comply. And South Africa was the best because we're the best in every field: soccer, technology, health, you know, all disciplines. But we're led to believe that no, these guys are smart, they're coming here to contribute. They're okay for labor, cheap labor. They're okay to increase the numbers because these multinationals, they thrive on numbers. They want big numbers. When they go loan, go IMF, go World Bank, let's say you've got a population of 100 million, the repayments look good because, yeah, this gonna pay for 10 years, next generation, they'll be paying you. And these are also potential buyers of these products. That's why these guys, they realize that South Africa is now saturated. They've reached the ceiling. Go MTN, they must go east, they must go to Nigeria, they must go to, you know, Middle East, all these companies, go ShopRite, to increase the numbers. But unfortunately, the side effect is China, because they signed these treaties that they don't understand. When they gave up our manufacturing industry to China, signing deals in China,